Government Advocate, Retainer Counsel of CBI and many others. Your Lordship's contribution to the legal field make the movement truly special. It is now my privilege to invite our chief guest for the event, Honorable Mr. Justice B. Narasingh, to share his wisdom and reflection with us. Your Lordship, please.
I thought at the outset, I will be addressing you in the afternoon, but we have reached the evening. Very good evening to all of you. First of all, I must compliment the two wonderful students who are comparing this program. What's your name? Preeti and Karishma, and actually they are doing it in a very, very professional way. Congratulations to both of you. And the dais today is a very, very interesting dais, and I have links with everyone, which goes back many, many years. To start with, Sri Satyendra Das, Senior Advocate, I had the privilege of working under Sir as an additional standing counsel. He was the senior standing counsel commercial taxes and I was the additional standing counsel commercial taxes. I have learned a lot. He gave me a lot of opportunity to work, to face the toughest situations. But one thing which was unique about Sir, with his permission, I will just tell this august audience, that whenever there is a difficulty that we faced, we had him as a backup. It's such an honor to share the dais with you, sir. And so far as Mr. Balatendu Samantra is concerned, I know him for the last 3 decades now, more than 3 decades. We have spent most of the time sitting in Munshi canteen and sipping coffee, not studious like you participating in Moot courts. And we had a wonderful stint. And it's such a pleasure sharing the dais with you, Mr. Samantra. I was a student of Professor Sarkar. I was not a very diligent student, I can assure you that. But it was, listening Professor Sarkar was like going back to my college days. Sir was talking about Austin law and morality. What Sir left and allowed me to say is law and morality are overlapping circles. So it was like going to the good old days of my college, my MS Law College where I studied. Today whatever I am is because of teachers like Professor Sarkar. And at this juncture I take a pause to pay my homage to Antarik, in whose memory this Moot court has been organized. And it's a wonderful thing Professor Sarkar has said. It's a personal loss which can never be compensated. But the best way to honor someone's memory is to do something which he loved most. So my homage to the departed soul, wherever he is, he must be very happy today to see that all of you have participated. And my good friend Mr. Gyanendra, there is a connection with him also. Both of us, I am from Ganjam and he is also from Ganjam. So there is a connection with sir, with Samantra, sir, have so many connections. So if I start telling, we have to say good night to the students. And faculty members of the institution, and my brother judge, Mr. Naik, civil judge, senior division, who has taken his time out to be with us. Thank you, Mr. Anup. And most importantly, the students who have participated today. You see, participating in a Moot court, if you search for what's a Moot court, you will get whether it is ChatGPT or AI or whatever it is that we all of us use. And we as judges sometimes fall into the trap of AI and we refer to judgments which have already been overruled because ChatGPT doesn't know it. So ChatGPT tells us that Moot court has its origin in medieval years. Moot was something where people used to sit down and discuss law. In our times when we were studying law, where in MS Law, though there were moot courts, they were not happening so often. Now that way the students are very lucky. And I understand that I could understand from the judges and actually in absentia, Mr. Mando, senior advocate, he told me that all that the finalists who were there, both the sides did wonderfully well. I do not know who won the prize, but that is immaterial. And I am also told, I took the liberty of sharing this joke with my senior Sakti sir, that probably the judges in the moot court were more demanding than the actual judges on the dais. So, but that's the process by which we all learn. For me, all of you who have participated in the moot court are winners. I think you all deserve a clap for yourself. Clap for you. Because winning and losing does not matter. You take it from me, standing there, arguing a case, getting over that stage fear is very, very important for a lawyer. Moot court teaches you two things: to be precise, to be articulate, and also to have the patience to respond to the judge's questions. Our senior advocate and my friend Mr. Samantara would agree with me. Sometimes judges are very, very unreasonable like me. So, but they can't afford to lose their cool. You have to respond with equanimity, with respect. That is what moot court teaches us. Second thing moot court teaches us is to respect the other viewpoint. You have a viewpoint, the other person has a viewpoint. So you have to match his viewpoint and modulate your arguments. And for this, I just take from where Professor Sarkar left us. For that, it is important, my dear students, to read. There is no substitute for reading. You have to read, whether it is newspaper, whatever that you want, you read. Because the more you read, the better you can speak. The more you read, the better you can write. The more you can read, the better you will articulate, and you can be precise. And precision is the hallmark of a lawyer, of a judge. Because two things are essential: brevity and clarity. Both things you will get when you read. I only urge you to, nowadays it's a day of mobile, and it's a day of, but you have a lot of tools at your command. You have AI, you have ChatGPT, you get so many options. But at the end of the day, you see, particularly those of us who have come from, how many of you are from vernacular medium? Odia medium I am asking the students. How many of you are from Odia medium? You are in a minority. Good. I have a special word for you, because I have come from Odia medium. My school is Unit 1 Boys High School, Sarkari Ucho, Sarkari Security. I am very proud of my school. But so far as this students who have come from vernacular medium is concerned, I am addressing you who are in minority, as we were in our class. Of course, we were at that time majority in fact. Everyone is not lucky like Sakti sir, who had his education in English medium. But so I stand corrected. You see, even now there is so much to learn about him. So it's not one advice, not an advice actually, a suggestion to my friends who are from vernacular medium is, those of us who have come from Odia medium, we have an inherent somehow diffidence that we will not be able to match those who have been educated in English medium. Take it from me, there is nothing like that. We have to cross that bar. Whenever you participate in a moot court, that is the best forum which gives you the chance to match with the best. Maybe those who have studied in English medium, they are more articulate. They can speak better than us so far as spoken English is concerned. But trust me, there is no barrier which cannot be crossed. So students, don't feel diffident that you are from vernacular medium. You are equally as good or as bad as our friends from other English medium schools. Professor Sarkar has, I think, covered everything that has to be covered. So nothing more for me to add. When I was commanded by my friend Mr. Samantarai to be here, he issued since you have today you have dealt with Article 226(32), that's what I am told. When he issued a writ of mandamus, I have to be there. That's how I am here, and I am very happy that all of you have come, you have participated. Once again, at the cost of repetition, I will say that for me, all of you are winners, irrespective of one who has won, one who has not won. One suggestion I have given to your principal, sir, is that record the proceedings of the Moot court, so that that will help you to improve. Those who have won it, they will know how they can do better. Those who have not won it, they will understand where they were lagging, so they could not match the best. So keep working hard. And one more thing, taking the cue from wherever I go, I repeat it. You respect your teachers, respect your parents, and whenever you join the profession, respect your seniors. They in Hindi they say, धूप में बाल उन्होंने सफेद नहीं किए हैं. बहुत सारे जजेस को देखें, बहुत सारे वकील को देखें, they know it all. I tell my judicial officers also, respect the institution, and the legal profession is a very demanding profession. It's I think all those who intend to join it, because nowadays there are so many options. You can be a legal professional, you can be a corporate lawyer, there is so many ways to specialize. There are so many laws to which we do not have any exposure. I wish we had it in our days. We do not have, but now the students have you have the option now. You have the IPR, you have the Customs Act, which is a field in itself. But each day is a day of learning. So as judges, we are told to listen and learn. That's what we do, and every day we learn from lawyers, because law is such a vast subject. Anyone who says that I know it all, he is the biggest fool. So every day there is scope to learn, and that is how the law is interesting. That's how there is space for everyone, and it's a noble profession. Also, there is scope to serve the poor, the needy. You have pro bono options also. There are options of arbitrations and mediation. And mediation is a subject in itself. Incidentally, I happen to be a trained mediator. I was the first mediator. Lawyer who was sent for mediation training by the then Honorable Chief Justice. I had the good fortune of undergoing training under the scrutiny of Justice Sinha, Justice S.B. Sinha, the great school that he was. So there is a lot of scope for the lawyers. So keep participating, have seminars, but keep on reading. That's the only mantra I try to tell you. Keep on reading. You all have great futures. You are the future judges, lawyers. You are the administrators. So my best wishes for all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. So now your co-hostess has given me the task to announce the winner of second Antarik Sarkar Memorial Inter-Semester Moot Court Competition 2025. The winner is TC 15. The runners up is TC 18. My congratulations to both of you. And as I said, for me, all are winners. Thank you. Thank you very much.
500 to the awardee.
Our Memorial Inter-Semester Moot Competition 2025, our TC15 consisting of Anvesha Panda, Saina Khan, Dikti Mai Behra. I request Honorable Mr. Justice V. Narasingh to kindly present the trophy, and I also request Professor Pradip Kumar Sarkar to present a cash prize of rupees 3,500 to the awardees. Congratulations to all the winners for their exceptional performance. Let us give them another round of applause for their hard work and dedication. We now move on to the announcement of the winners and runners-up for the case commentary competition organized by University.
Congratulations to our case commentary competition awardees for